If you're seeing the dreaded GOG Galaxy message that says an error occurred, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a corrupted download cache, a local database problem, antivirus software blocking the launcher, or even missing core game files if the error appears when you try to press play. So whether GOG Galaxy is frozen, your game won't launch, or the launcher keeps throwing the same generic error, this guide will help you get back into your game as quickly as possible. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and software tutorials. First, open GOG Galaxy and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error and select it. Once the game page opens, look for the Customize icon right next to the Play button. Click it, then hover over Manage Installation and choose Verify Repair. This is one of the fastest ways to fix missing or damaged installation files, and in many cases, GOG will automatically detect the issue and repair it for you. Let the scan finish, even if it takes a few minutes, because it can replace corrupted files and restore anything that's missing. After that, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is whether GOG Galaxy itself is having a launcher problem. Sometimes the desktop app can freeze completely, or it can get stuck because of a bad cache or a local database issue. In that case, the easiest workaround is to bypass the launcher entirely and use the standalone offline installer from the GOG website. Open your browser and log directly into your GOG account on the official website. Once you're signed in, click your profile name, go to Games, and then select the game that you want to install or play. When you hover over the game, you should see a small arrow icon. Click that arrow, then choose View Downloads. When the download pop-up appears, look for the option that says Download Offline Backup Game Installers. Select the correct installer file and download it to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install the game without needing GOG Galaxy at all. This is especially useful if the launcher is completely broken, stuck loading, or refusing to open your game. If you have antivirus software installed, it's also a good idea to check whether it's blocking GOG Galaxy or the game files. Sometimes security software can quarantine files or prevent the launcher from reading the installation properly, which can trigger that generic error message. Temporarily disabling the antivirus or adding an exception for GOG Galaxy and the game folder can help you test whether that's the cause. Just make sure you only do this if you trust the files and you re-enable protection afterward. So, to quickly recap. First, use Verify Repair inside GOG Galaxy if the game files are damaged, and if the launcher is frozen or unusable, go to the GOG website and download the offline backup installer to play without the launcher. That covers the main fixes for the an error occurred problem in GOG Galaxy. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.